Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar. Quickly, we're gonna do an unboxing on the new Moza Mini MX foldable smartphone gimbal. Just gonna see what's in the box here. I'm gonna do a more in-depth review in another video. But quickly, let's see what we have inside here. If we pop this thing open, actually just open it this way. Okay, first off, we got this cool little silhouette on top of here, pretty nice. This foldable gimbal is coming in at a payload of 280 grams is going to be its max weight there. Let's say we got this card here. This is their new app called Videomaker. Right now it's only available for the ISO phones, but they are working on it for Android. You can do some really cool stuff in there, but we'll get into that in another video. Quickly, here is the gimbal. Nice, sexy little foldable gimbal. I like this. This is coming in for more of the consumer that, you know, who's not hardcore serious about filmmaking. It's on the cell phone, but your weekend getters, your weekend videoers, you can throw this in your bag. It's super small. I mean, look, here's the size of my palm, and it basically fits right there. Super, very nice. So we got the gimbal in here. What else do we got? We also got some cables here. Looks like you got your wrist strap, your charging cable with this USB 2. Also got your instructions in there. And what I do like, compared to which I was quite shocked on the DJI Osmo, it does not come with a tripod. That blew my mind. How do you sell a gimbal and not have a tripod? So guys, this does come with the tripod. It clicks right here on the bottom, which is super easy. Boom, you got the tripod there. That also is included, and you get a nice little clean little pouch here to put this all inside of. Quickly unfolding this gimbal is pretty easy here. Just drops down like that. Boom, you release this, and then you release this. Boom, and there you go. You got the gimbal all ready to go. Again, this gimbal, the weight overall is going to be about 412 grams. It supports cell phones up to 60 to 88 millimeters. Battery life says about 24 hours. I did go out and do some IG videos on this, and I didn't have any issues. I did charge it the next day just because it wasn't nearly empty, but I do always charge my gimbals. I want them to have them ready when I need to go. On the pan, basically we get 340 degrees on the pan, and on the roll we get 300 degrees and 140 degrees on the tilt. So pretty solid, guys. Just wanted to drop this quick video to show you guys what's inside this. I will be doing another video here to show you a little bit more in depth of what this thing can do. At the moment, the app does not work for the Android phones, but I've already been in contact with Moza. They are working on that and getting that connected, because once this is connected to your phone, you got some really cool options. You can do some gesture recording, which I'm really looking forward to, because me being a road filmmaker, to have this be able to sit down on the floor, I can automatically start recording with the gesture would be fantastic. So quick in and out video, guys. Stay tuned. On the next video we'll get more in depth, and I'll show you guys some of the footage that comes off of this. You know, matter of fact, we'll just show you some of the footage now, which is not a big deal. Now the gimbal is very smooth. I didn't have any issues with it, but here, take a look at some of the footage I shot with this.
Won't you just stay right there? You're looking at me and I can't help stare.
Alright guys, but anyways, thanks for checking out this video. If you found some value in this video, can you consider hitting that like button and sharing this video out to somebody else? Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Patrick Levar, stay safe, take care of each other, and keep filming. Peace.